Alright, so we're on our Illinois farm today. We are finally getting to food plots. We're hoping Mother Nature is kind. But so this strip right here, all I did was run a drag with a weight over it. Okay, so this is from my Chisel disc plow right here. So right now I'm tilling under these soybeans in my house plot because they're not enough. I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, just overseed brassicas, but I don't subscribe to that, only because if you prepare the soil really well, you're going to get way more tonnage, and when you overseed, you're relying on the rain. So that outside strip that he's seeding and this strip right here, all I did was run the drag over it. So we decided I'm not even going to till this. We're putting our fertilizer down first and our big seed, and then we're going to take a couple runs with the heavy drag, and then the small seed will go on, and then we'll cultipack it after that. But this stuff is just bone dry. I mean, when that chisel rips it up and it hits the sun, look out. So he's putting right now the large seed on. I just hit it with fertilizer. This is a 4-grain mix, a fall/winter mix. You got winter wheat, winter rye, oats, and triticale. So then we're just going to be praying for rain. Hopefully today I got 7 plots here. Hopefully we can get all of them, but at least if we get 4, I'd be happy. This is what it looks like here from the Chisel disc. This is my brand new food plot, and I got my rear camera on, which I can monitor the weight, because sometimes that heavy weight falls off, and you can see there's still some roots and stuff in here, but we should have plenty of good loose dirt. All we need after that is rain. And it is hot and sticky, so it's nice. Now Curtis is starting the small seed over there, but it's nice to at least get in and out of the air conditioning here in the Polaris. Anxiously awaiting this plot, if we get rain or not, of course. Alright, we'll check back in. Well, my very last pass in this, and of course this is the first plot we're doing, I got caught on a stump. Dang it. Really narrow road in the woods here, and I got my ripper on, and I'm hoping I don't regret coming down this way. So in keeping with our tradition of keeping things real here, I'm taking the tractor and the new disc chisel through a very narrow and rocky road in our woods, and of course I put the GoPro in backwards. With the mount that it's on, you got to put the button on top. And this is, I think, the first time I've ever put it in backwards. I was probably in a hurry. So, I mean, I'm going down this steep, rocky road and narrating. And, of course, you can't see anything but what's behind us. But, hey, that's life with trying to make good videos. Sometimes it happens. So let's just keep moving on. Right to the left is where the waterfalls are. Way out, I'm going to take the easy way. There's a better trail on the way out. And then we're planning on planting on Monday. Curtis is going to help me out. We're going to knock up our whole farm out. Hopefully there's like 7 or 8 plots I got lined up. I think I might back into it. This is a real sharp turn with trees. Serious, I had it on backwards the whole time. That's nice. Yeah, I had my camera on for this really, really sketchy road I came through, and I had it turned backwards. How's that? Nice, huh? Let's rip this up, get it loose, and call it a day here. Whoa! Blind hole there. Pond is right here. I hit the shore a little early. Alright, so now we are by the big high line. I got two plots kitty corner here, this one and this one, and I actually have a video coming out on this particular setup on a bunch of things to consider instead of just, you know, dropping a plot in a tower. There's a bunch more that you can make it much better. So it's definitely saving time without running the tiller. The seed bed might not be quite as good, but it's going to be about 85 to 90% just as good. Now, if I would have broken this up and then ran the drag right afterwards, it'd be beautiful, but these clumps have hardened up now, you know, from a couple days of sun. Okay, so now he's running the big seed on this big plot, this new one, and I'm just waiting like in the pit stop, man. As soon as he finishes, I'll start here with the drag, and then he's gonna start the big seed over on that one. Here's a good look at, it's really, really deep and soft. And I'm running the heavy drag, and you can see the difference there. This is gonna be a pretty decent seed bed on this one. Road I built here. I picked the rocks out of it the other day, the big ones, so I need to grade this a little better, but it's very dry. The ditch